Let's listen in to what is happening right now at the Sham Bajar crossing, where we understand the BJP protesters clashed with the police.
Well, yes, exactly. So that's what the question being raised by the BJP, that when the mob went on to vandalize RG Kar, where was the police posting? Where was the police barricading? Where were the police forces? Now, as you can see, that protest site here in Sham Bajar have once again, we can see dramatic visuals here. The Mahila leaders of the BJP, Phalguni Patra and Rupa Ganguly in particular, are being taken away in the prison van. Rupa Ganguly is not ready to get inside the prison van, but she is being forced to enter the prison van. More and more police personnel have been called in. We have seen some rapid action forces are present here. The Deputy Commissioner of North Division is leading this entire police force. More reinforcement have been sent. Female personnel have been called in. Prison vans have been called in additional numbers. And police will not let this road to be closed. And police will not let this protest happen. That is for sure very clear. And you can see that Rupa Ganguly is just beside the prison van, and she doesn't want to get inside. Police have made it very clear that they will not let this protest happen. And Rupa Ganguly is here, and see, she's trying to go near the prison van and bring those members, the female members of the BJP who have already been detained, and put inside this prison van. So overall, still a scuffle going on between the BJP and the police, but police is adamant in its decision that they will not allow them to hold the protest. Overall, similar protests are expected in different parts of West Bengal, in Kolkata as well, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. There will be a road jam, traffic block.
All right, so that was what was happening in Kolkata. It was a protest march that was scheduled in Sham Bajar in North Kolkata, where BJP workers and leaders have clashed with state police. And the Kolkata police have refused to grant permission for this rally. Remember, there are protests planned across the state, especially a protest which is supposed to lead to the Chief Minister's residence at Navanna at 2 p.m. And that, of course, is going to mean that there are going to be further clashes and further tension going forward at this point.